Hello everyone, here this is Meku Auto, and today I'm gonna show you how can we change Bajaj engine oil. So just there is some steps I have prepared to change the engine oil. As you see in this video, just I'm loosening the bolt, the drain plugs. Then after I'm removing the oil filter, Bajaj oil filter. As you see, it's a small oil filter, but before that you should have to prepare combination wrench or box wrench 22, and the other one is a material which is used to capture the old oils. Then after removing the drain plug, and you should also remove the cylinder head, oil fill cap, and the oil dipstick. Then that makes the oil to be removing fastly from the crankcase. And you should have to clean the oil filter and the drain plug, as well as the oil dipstick with gasoline fuel. And should have to know that don't use to clean the drain plug and the oil filter with water. That's why, because of it may disturb the oil or it may change the color of the oil. And as you see that after just draining the whole old oils, the dirt oils, then after I'm tightening the bolts and the oil filter. Then after should have to carefully for tightening the drain plugs. That's why, because of it is an aluminum, or what you call it, mica, which means it may be broken easily. Then after, as you see in the video, I'm going to add an engine oil. So should have to use the engine oil for the gasoline engine 20W50 or single viscosity of 30, and should have to add carefully. As you see in the video, you can use in the top of the engine or in the dipstick hole in the right side. You can use both to fill the engine oil. And the amount you should to use for a single piston tri-bike or Bajaj for the engine oil is 1 liter and 75 milliliter. So try to measure correctly here. And finally, you should have to use to measure the engine oil with dipstick. That is the final measurement after adding the whole oil to the engine. And you should have to know that when you service your oil, you should have to use the service manual or manufacturer manual. That's why, because of the vehicles which is different with model to model. And finally, you should have to know that to service the engine oil, it should be gives 3000 kilometer. Then after, you can change the oil. This is all about changing Bajaj engine oil. If you have a comment, suggestion, or unclear idea, you can ask me and leave me a comment, and you can contact me with my social media. And if you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button and try to share. Thank you.